Writing style engaging. Hey, health enthusiasts! Have you heard about the latest trend sweeping the nutrition world? It's called the noon diet, and today I'm diving deep to bring you everything you need to know about it, straight from the expertise of a nutritionist. So, what exactly is the noon diet? Unlike what the name might suggest, it's not just about eating at noon. Instead, it focuses on when you eat rather than what you eat. The idea is to consume your daily meals within a specific 8-hour window, typically from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and then give your body a 16-hour break from food. But why this specific timing? Well, according to nutritionists, aligning your eating schedule with your body's internal clock can significantly enhance your metabolism. This can lead to better digestion, more efficient calorie burn, and yes, even weight loss. Now, let's talk benefits. One major advantage of the noon diet is the simplicity. There's no need to count calories or measure portions obsessively. You eat healthy, balanced meals during your 8-hour window and then stop. It's straightforward and sustainable. Moreover, this diet isn't just about losing weight. Nutritionists highlight that it can improve your sleep quality, increase energy levels during the day, and even help in stabilizing blood sugar levels. It's a holistic approach to health that doesn't just focus on the scale. But, as with any diet, there are some cautions to consider. The noon diet may not be suitable for everyone. For instance, if you have dietary restrictions or medical conditions like diabetes, you should consult your doctor before starting. It's crucial to ensure that this eating pattern fits your specific health needs. And what about the downsides? The most common challenge people face is the initial hunger during the fasting periods, especially in the mornings or late evenings. However, many report that this subsides after the body adjusts to the new routine. If you're curious to try the noon diet, here are a few tips. 1. Start gradually. If fasting for 16 hours seems daunting, begin with a shorter fasting period and increase it slowly. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help manage hunger pangs. 3. Plan nutrient-rich meals. Maximize your health benefits by focusing on vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats during your eating window. In conclusion, the noon diet is more than a trend. It's a lifestyle change that encourages you to listen to your body's natural rhythms. It's about eating in sync with your internal clock, leading to potential health benefits that go beyond weight loss. Remember, the key to any diet success is customization and moderation. Always tailor any diet to fit your lifestyle and health needs. And of course, consult with a professional to guide you. That's a wrap on the noon diet. If you're going to give it a try, or if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy.